Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make honey soy chicken skewers. Now I'm going to be baking these. Of course you can pan fry them, but it's a really simple thing to just chuck in the oven and then bring it out later and you're like, oh, delicious. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 10 chicken thighs. Now we're using free range because we want happy chicken meat. And I've just diced them into bite-sized pieces and removed any excess fat. Half a cup of sodium reduced soy sauce, half a cup of delicious Australian honey. If you're not in Australia, you can just use honey. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 heaped tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 large garlic clove, crushed, or 2 small ones. And then just for decoration, some chopped up spring onion and some toasted sesame seeds. Yum! So we're going to take our chicken, and Flavia, and our sauces, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and put it in a large bowl. We're gonna mix it around, cover it in cling wrap, put it in the fridge for an hour. Very straightforward. Let's do it. So I've just grabbed a bunch of wooden skewers and I've been soaking them overnight in water. If you don't have that much time, at least let them soak for half an hour. This prevents them from burning or splintering off when you bake them. Okay, so our chicken was in the fridge for about an hour. Now, of course, you can do this overnight as well. That will really just help it get all delicious and yummy flavors. So what we're going to do now is grab our soaked wooden skewers, pop the chicken on. Now, you can put as much chicken on the skewers as you want, but I would recommend about 5 or 6 pieces, depending on how much you love chicken, and we love chicken a lot, so we're just gonna go for gold. So now that we've finished all of our skewers, we've got 10 in total, we're going to put them in the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to reduce our sauce by putting it in a saucepan and boiling it for about 4 to 5 minutes while these are in the oven. Then we're going to take our skewers back out, put our sauce over the top and bake it again. Oh, it's so good. So we're going to bake for 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Bye. So we're going to stir this on a high heat while it's bubbling for another 3 minutes to reduce it. So we've just put some of our reduced sauce onto our chicken skewers and they smell amazing. Yes, I'm wearing these because I didn't take them off. And we're gonna put them back in our oven, but I've reduced the heat to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just gonna cook them until the largest piece of chicken is cooked completely through. That should be about another 7 to 8 minutes. Bye. Alright guys, so that's how you make my baked honey soy chicken skewers. They're so easy and they smell incredible. Let's eat it. Just do it, just do it.
Believe in your chicken dreams.
You ready? Spaghetti.
I am ready. It
Alright.
smells so good.
Charles.
Charles. I've got my hair in it.
On your hand. And your top. If you don't make a mess, you haven't had fun with it. Oh.
That is so good. The chicken is so tender as well.
And because when you bake it first to get it really hot, it kind of just encases it. And then when you pour the sauce on top and cook it at a lower temperature, it just locks on all the moisture and you're just like, hello chicken, you're looking mighty fine today. Oh.
It's embarrassing.
It is, and I love it. It's so good. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yummy though.
Oh, my life.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye.